GPG Squad, I'm Kez and I'm here today with another video brought to you by Girls for God. Today we'll be making a coffee coconut scrub. To our main ingredients, we've got half a cup of sugar, half a cup of coffee grounds and quarter cup of melted coconut oil. So with our sugar, caster sugar, the finer the ground, the less harsh it's going to be on your skin, but any brand is fine. Don't need to worry too much about that. Coffee grounds. You can use your leftover coffee grounds that mum and dad have with their coffee or buy them fresh. Coffee is great, full of antioxidants. Awesome stuff for energizing. First thing in the morning, great for your skin. Give that a bit of a mix through. And then we're going to add in our coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is one of the few oils that has the same pH as our skin. That means it's going to moisturize, it's going to be really, really good without clogging up our pores, which is what we want. If you don't have a microwave at home to melt your coconut oil, and you do live in Australia in the middle of summer, feel free to stick it out on your back porch and just let the sun do its work. So give that a nice mix. That oil is going to hold all our ingredients together. Make sure it's really well combined. You'll know it's really well combined when the sugar no longer stands out as stark white. And then just get a nice container, stick it in that. Get a nice container and stick it in that. And treat your skin next time you have a shower. Hi Girls of God Squad, this night head to be split. Oh, yeah.
Well, at any point,
Bob's your uncle.